Welcome to our step-by-step guide on keeping your Air Max 270s looking fresh and clean. Let's dive into the best techniques to maintain the iconic look of your sneakers. If you have any question, you can ask us below.
Welcome to our guide on how to clean Air Max 270 sneakers. Keeping your sneakers clean not only makes them look great, but also extends their life. Start by removing the laces and washing them separately in a mixture of laundry detergent and water. Use a soft brush and a mixture of mild detergent and water to gently scrub the outside of the sneakers. Pay special attention to any stains or dirty areas. Use a toothbrush for harder to reach areas. Wipe the sneakers with a damp cloth to remove any soap residue. Clean the soles with a brush and soapy water. Stuff the sneakers with paper towels to maintain their shape, and allow them to air dry away from direct heat or sunlight. Avoid using a washing machine or dryer, as this can damage the sneakers. Regular cleaning will keep your Air Max 270s looking fresh and new.